The new V4 Granturismo engine is the result of collective dedication to designing engines capable of simultaneously delivering maximum smoothness and a thrilling riding experience. It is the synthesis of how technical know-how in engine performance can evolve towards unprecedented robustness and superior reliability. It was thanks to this exceptional dedication that we were able to achieve the peak of mechanical and technological performance, developing a V4 that is more compact and lighter than our latest generation of V2 engines. The Granturismo V4 sets a new industry record in terms of service intervals, running for 60,000 kilometers before a valve clearance check is required. An engine designed to be so smooth and so progressive, you won't believe it can deliver up to 170 horsepower of authentic Ducati attitude. Equipped with state-of-the-art technologies to guarantee maximum comfort and riding pleasure. It maximizes the feeling of smoothness at every turn, braking and acceleration. Still with the same unmistakable Ducati character, personality and sound, thanks to our signature V4 twin-pulse firing order.